Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the PS5 itself is ready. Update system software if needed and connect to a stable network. Once done, enable automatic updates in Settings or highlight the game, press Options, and select Check for Update to start. Make sure you have free storage. Games need space to unpack, and plug your console into power or set rest mode so downloads continue in the background. Starting immediately saves time and prevents interruptions while the console fetches the latest files. You now manage the active update, open notifications, then download/uploads to monitor progress and estimated time. If multiple items queue, select an update and choose Prioritize or Pause to control bandwidth. This lets a critical patch finish first. Once a file downloads, the PS5 installs automatically. Do not power off mid-install. If an update stalls, resume it or cancel and retry. Using rest mode keeps the download and install running without consuming your screen time, so choose it when leaving the console. You wrap up by launching the game and confirming the new version in the game options or hub. This verifies the update applied correctly. If additional DLC or optional patches still appear, return to the PlayStation Store or the game's Manage Content area to install them. If the game crashes, won't update, or shows corrupt data, perform a rebuild database from safe mode or reinstall the title after backing up saves. Also check your network and free storage as the primary troubleshooting step to resolve persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.